going to hit the speed of 178 kilometers per hour. It's going left and right. It's going left and right. I have to slow down. See how loud that car gets. Yeah. Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the high-speed performance and stability of the 5th gen Honda City. And this is the 1.5 liter iVTEC one, and so just see it for yourself. I'm going to hit the speed of 178 kilometers per hour, and I'll tell you what it feels like at those speeds. So let's get on with it. The car is really not that stable at these speeds. It's okay, but not very stable. It's going left and right. It's going left and right. I have to slow down. 178. It started going left and right. It's not possible to take it beyond this. If you're cruising at 140 and 150, up to 160, it's totally fine. But once you go beyond it, it's just not safe at all. See, right now I'm doing 140 and it's very okay. So if you plan on driving it at 140 and 150, then it's fine. But you'll have to deal with that annoying beep. And that alarm is at the lowest possible volume right now, yet it's still very loud. See, right now I'm doing 145 and driving with one hand, and it's totally fine. But if you start building up speed and go above 160, 170, like when I did that 178, the car was just going left and right like crazy. I was doing a lot to control it. So yeah, I'll definitely not take it to 170 plus anytime soon again. But yeah, I just wanted to try it out. I just wanted to know what it felt like, and I'm not impressed at all. Like my previous Jetta used to do 190 without any problems. It didn't move a bit to the left or to the right. It just followed a straight path. But this was just doing this left and right. Okay, so now let me tell you a bit about the brakes. So the braking is actually pretty good. Like right now I'm doing 140 and I see traffic ahead of me. So I'll just put it to neutral, and from 130, see, 100, easy, no problem. The brakes are pretty good. So taking the car up to 150 is fine. I'll not suggest you to take it over 150 as it just goes out of control. The stability is not that great above 160, but just to be safe, keep it at 150. Like if you want to drive like that, but if you're not that experienced, I wouldn't even tell you to cross 100. But if you are very experienced with sedans and similar cars, then yeah, you can just keep it below 150 if you want to be safe. Obviously you can do 180, 190, but you'll need a lot of concentration and a lot of control over your car. So overall, I'm not impressed with the high-speed stability of this car, but for cruising at 140 and 150, it's very good. And this is why I always prefer German cars over any other car, just because of this stability and, you know, that solid build quality. But obviously Honda engines are much better, but you know, German engines are much more powerful. See how loud that car gets. And also the cruise control goes up to 200 kilometers per hour. I think it's more than that. I guess it goes around 220. But obviously you don't want to drive it at 220. Also, I have never done a voiceover on my videos, so it may sound a bit unprofessional. So, but if I continue to do these, it might improve. But depends if I want to do these or not. I just wanted to let you know about the high-speed stability of this car. And the reason it gets so unstable is because of that bouncy suspension it has got. Like, I'm pretty sure like the Volkswagen Vento and Rapid are not this unstable at 178 and above, just because of this stiff suspension. And this has a very soft suspension, which is pretty good for the city, but definitely not that great for highway. But after all, this is the Honda City, It was made for the city, not the highways. So yeah, stability after 160 is totally acceptable, but for a driver like me who likes to cross 180 and 190, this car is definitely not for me. But people who go on regular highway drives will definitely enjoy this car. Okay, also if you don't drive enthusiastically, you will get a mileage of like 16 kilometers per liter. But if you drive like me, like a maniac, then you will get this. Right now it's 10.9 kilometers per liter. So yeah, it can even drop to 9 if I'm going even more crazy. Like right now I'm driving on 6th gear at 75, so right now I'm getting a good mileage. This car is pretty good for long drives in my opinion. Like I said, not for the enthusiasts. Like for below 150 it is very good, but if you want to go above it, definitely not for you. Go for a Rapid. I didn't buy the Rapid or Vento because of their outdated 8-year-old designs. So yeah, the new updated Rapid and Vento are coming, so I guess you should look so yeah, I guess you should go for those cars instead of the Honda City if you are an enthusiast. But if you want something for city driving and highway drives every now and then Honda City is perfect for you. Okay, right now I've got 2 spots here on the windscreen, so I'm just going to use the wipers and show you their performance. And those marks are not gone. So yeah, if you get these marks, you'll have to go out and manually clean them. And this car is just 1 month old. I have done 2,600 kilometers. I have not used the wipers that much because I have not driven this car in rain yet. Also yes, the steering is light in the city, but right now it's not that light. It is light, like I can maneuver quick. Like right now I'm doing 90. I'm gonna set it to cruise control. I want to do a quick lane change, I can definitely do that. It's pretty smooth. Lane changing that quick. So let's take for example there's something ahead of you and you can quickly change your lane. Just yeah, you can do that, no problem. The car will manage, as it has got traction control and electronic stability control. And so yeah, you don't have to worry about going out of the track. It won't do that, so rest assured. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.